to my channel.
And the team's here, hey.
So today I'm back with another Fashion Nova try on haul, but today I'm going to be unboxing a couple items that my girl Adama got me as a late birthday gift. So shout out to Adama, thank you so much. I love her so much. So let's just get into it. And I have no idea what she ordered, so I'm excited. It's like, this is the biggest package I ever got, really. And I will be trying them on. The first item is the Raina Tube Maxi Dress. Oh my God, I think I know what this is. I think this is the black one with the slits. Oh my God. It's the black one with the slit. She got the black one with the slit. And it's in medium. Oh my God. It says hearts and hips. What is that? First of all, this is not from Fashion Nova. I mean, it's from Fashion Nova, but they got this from another vendor. See, look, that means Fashion Nova's getting their clothes from somewhere else. And my girl Patricia Bright said it first. I'm just letting y'all know. First of all, it's so soft. Like, it's so soft. And it has a slit. It has the slit I was talking about. And it's super long. You can't really see it, but it stops at my ankle. And it's just amazing. And it fits so well. The Rihanna Tube dress, the olive green one. Oh my God. I have this one in black and medium. And I wore it to school, and I'm finna wear this too. The black one does not look this good, but you know, it just fits so well. Like, this is a large, and I got a medium in the black. I think this fits better. Like, I don't know if the sizes were mixed up or something. So the next item is Your Needs Met dress, and it's in a medium. Okay, I don't know what this is. This is the nude one. Well, it's not really nude, it's mocha. What's supposed to be nude. It's so soft, and I feel like it's gonna look good, especially since it's a medium. I'm gonna be turning heads, y'all. So this is the dress, and the color isn't what I expected, really. I don't know what color I thought this would be. I thought it'd be like a taupe, but it says cocoa, so it fits really good. It's really tight. I'm gonna say this. Size up. But it fits well, you know. I love the color. You can wear this out and be modest and, you know, turn heads. Finally, the black version of the olive green dress that I showed in my last video. And it's long sleeve and it's turtleneck. Oh my God. A large. And this one, I just love this one even better because, like, it's just more comfortable. And if you have a stomach, you know, it hides it. Like, yes. Your girl looks thick. Okay. And I love these. I love these so much. Like, I recommend you get it. And you should get a size up so that you can breathe. You have some breathing area. Really form-fitting, and it goes all the way down to my ankles. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for my next video.